Hello, good evening all.
Hello, sir.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. I was only able to do the first part.
Is that so? Okay, so shall we discuss this one?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So this is 2023 second term test, Southern Provincial paper, right? Okay, you tell me the answers. I will go through these answers very quickly and then we'll try to finish this paper, right? Okay, number one, what's the group of organisms that the microorganism illustration belongs to?
Protozoa.
What's it?
Protozoan, sir. 3.
Protozoa, correct. Oh, wait. Can you recognize this organism?
Paramecium.
Yes, it's a paramecium. Okay. Following features could be observed in an animal found in a field trip.
Mollusca.
Arthropoda.
Okay, arthropoda or mollusca.
Arthropoda, sir.
Hmm.
Because
Mollusca.
arthropoda has a exoskeleton.
Yeah, exoskeleton, right? Arthropoda has exoskeleton. Segmented body, bilateral symmetry, then they are the features of them, right? Okay, tell me the true type.
So,
What's it?
still roots.
Still root, right? So they are coming out from the stem, right?
Stem and going
Prop-
on the ground.
Yeah, the prop roots are coming out from the branches. Still roots. So these are such still root. What is the plant with the reticulate venation?
Jack. 3.
Jack.
2.
Jack.
3.
Jack. An example for matter is
Yeah.
okay. Yeah. What's the conclusion that can be arrived by the observation given by the piece of chalk kept in touch with the
Discontinuous nature of solid matter.
Yeah, discontinuous nature of solid matter, correct. What's the brittle substance out of the substances given below?
Glass.
Glass, correct. If an object makes 500 vibrations in 10 seconds, what's the frequency?
50 hertz.
How do you find it? How do you find it?
Divide by 10.
Yeah, the frequency equals number of vibrations divided by time, right? So the answer is 50 hertz. Which option gives the matter in order?
Sir.
Yes?
So I have a doubt.
Yeah.
If an object vibrates 600 times in 2 minutes means how many hertz?
Okay, so you need to,
120 divided by 600.
yeah, you have to convert minutes into seconds, right? So in your question, you say 600 vibrations within 2 minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 600 divided by
120.
600. Yeah, wait a minute. 600 divided by 2 minutes means how many seconds are there? Around
60
120
120, sir.
minutes.
120. So you divide this one and take the answer. Easy, no?
Yes, sir. Today for the exam test, this question came.
It came. Okay, good. So you already finished the exam, right?
Yes,
So we
sir.
have
Today.
our science test on Monday.
Sir,
On
we have
Monday.
our scientist tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, I know some children they have tomorrow.
We also have the science.
Our science exam
test tomorrow.
today only finished.
Okay. So
Tomorrow
this
we
is
have
how we find.
history.
Okay. Aaron, how was the paper? Aaron? Okay. So let's move on to the next one. Which option gives the matter in order that's with the particle arrangement of ABC in the diagram?
3. Iron, water, air.
Iron, water, air. Correct. What's the correct statement regarding the audible range of the human ear?
It is
Between
between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz.
To
Fourth answer.
20,000 hertz.
20 to 20,000 hertz. Correct. The strength of an electromagnet increases
When the number
When the
of
number
turns
of turns
increases.
increases.
when the number of turns
Increases, first one.
increases. First one. Okay, good. And which options contain only the matter that attract to magnets?
Iron and
Iron
chromium.
and
Iron and
chromium.
chromium.
Iron and chromium, correct. And why the first one is wrong? Copper, gold?
Because the
Because
gold,
copper
because
is
gold
not
is
a
not a
magnetic
magnetic material,
It is a
sir.
material.
non-magnetic material.
Yes, because both are not attracted, right? Okay, good.
Oh,
Number 13. What is the correct statement regarding the flow of electric current?
current
flow
flow
is from
is from
positive term
positive
to
to
negative term.
negative
Third answer.
terminal.
Negative term.
Third answer.
Okay, very good. 14th one. Three,
Fourth answer.
three circuits prepared
CAB.
to with the identical bulb and cells illustrated. Select the option that contains circuits ascending order of brightness.
CAB, sir. Fourth one.
CAB, right? C means this one has the least brightness, right? These three bulbs.
Yes.
And then A, and then B, right? So what is the connection name? Shown in the
Series and parallel.
Series.
That one is
series
series
and
and parallel.
B is parallel, right?
Parallel.
Okay. Yeah, series parallel, and here it has both. So which one is the answer, as you said?
Fourth answer.
Fourth
CAB.
one.
Cab.
CAB, okay. Cap. Okay. Select the substance that does not contain in urine of a healthy person.
Glucose.
Glucose. Glucose.
Correct.
Fourth answer.
Glucose, correct. Which effect of electric current is tested in the setup?
Magnetic effect of
Magnetic
electricity.
Magnetic
current.
effect
Third
of
answer.
magnetic
Yes,
effect of electricity.
correct. Some measures that you can practice to conserve power in an era of energy crisis is given below.
So
What's the
fourth
answer?
one. A, B, and D.
Okay,
Isn't it only A and B?
wait a minute.
A, B, and D, sir.
We'll see. Number one, use of LED bulbs for illuminating house. Is it a point that we can consider to
Yes,
conserve
sir.
power?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Use of table lamps when studying at night.
Yes, it's also correct, sir.
Also correct.
Disconnecting refrigerator in the period between 6 to 9 p.m.
No,
I
sir.
don't think
No,
that's
because
practical.
you
That
should
will work,
also
sir.
9 to 10.
like
Okay.
take that frozen food.
Okay. Family members get used to iron clothes time to time.
No.
Yes, sir.
No.
I think that's correct, sir.
Is that a kind of method that we can conserve
No, sir.
power?
It
No.
like
No,
us use more power.
disconnecting refrigerator in the period between 6:30 to 9 p.m. Also, it says that conserve the power in an era of energy crisis. So,
So can we consider this one as a correct answer? What do you think? The
No.
third one?
C is not a correct answer.
This is not a correct one. D.
I think it's correct, sir.
Family members get used to iron clothes
but
time to
that's
time.
also wrong.
No, sir,
Isn't it
it's
supposed to
wrong.
be A and B?
Time to time means they iron
It's
it
A and B. A and
not
B.
together. They iron it different
Okay.
period of
A
time.
and
So
B
what
is the
should be the
correct
answer?
answer. A and B.
A and B, no? Okay, we'll take this one.
Because
18.
LED bulbs have low current and using table lamps for studying is the best choice.
Okay. Right. Function that is not performed by the skin to regulate the body temperature is
Perception of the
Yeah,
temperature changes in the
Sir, is it
which one?
Fourth one.
Fourth one. Perception of the temperature changes. Okay. Select the option that contains the function of the central nervous system correctly.
controlling the higher cognitive
Second one.
process such as memory cerebrum?
cerebrum?
Yeah, it's a function of the cerebrum. Correct. 20. Which of the following elements having the bright what is that? Brittleness? No?
Brittleness. Sulfur. Sulfur.
What's the color of sulfur?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, yellowish color. Good. Okay, now you count how many answers are correct out of 20
Sir,
and
18.
18 out
multiply
of
it by
20.
2. Multiply it by 2 and find your total out of 40. Now let's move to part 2.
So 36 out of 40.
Okay, good. Very good.
Out of 30.
Okay. How much? How much? What do you say?
38.
38.
I got 36.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay, shall we discuss the next question quickly?
Okay, sir.
Plants. Okay, plants are adapted to live in a variety of environments. Okay, now you know the part two, right? I couldn't say this one before. The first one is compulsory, and you need to answer other four questions. But since you are practicing the papers, I recommend you to answer them all, right? But for the exam, you follow these instructions, okay? Okay, number one, name the parts A and B in the plant given beside. What is that?
A is the shoot system and B is root system, sir.
System and root system.
Okay, we'll put 2 marks for this. Which part out of A and B responsible for photosynthesis?
A.
A. Okay,
A.
1 mark. And mention an adaptation of the part you mentioned in 2 above for efficient photosynthesis.
Because the
Having thin
because
and
the leaves
broad
have a
leaves.
green colored pigmentation, sir.
Yeah, having chlorophyll, it's 1 point. Okay.
Having thin broad leaves.
Having thin broad leaves, correct. Is it
Having chlorophyll.
having chlorophyll? Okay, I mentioned already.
The green pigmentation.
Yeah, that's white chlorophyll, right? And the leaves are turned towards the direction of sunlight. Okay, 1 mark. Plants grow in what kind of environment conditions by adaptations such as reduced leaves and fleshy leaves?
Places with a lot of moisture, sir.
In
There's a special
Arid
name for that. Arid
environments.
environment.
Arid environments.
Yes, it's called arid
so
environments.
can
Correct.
we say hot environment?
Hot is not that much good answer.
Okay.
We'll learn this word, right? Arid environment, or there's another term called xeric. I don't know whether you have heard this one before.
Excuse
Xeric,
me,
no?
sir.
Yeah.
Can we use the term semi-arid environments?
Yeah, even in the semi-arid environment, we can find this. Okay. This type of leaves. What are the names of the plants that we can take as an example for this?
Pardon me, what, sir? Casa?
No, I
Aloe
mean
vera.
aloe vera. Yeah, leaves, fleshy
Navahandi?
leaves. Navahandi. Okay. Reduced number of
Sir,
leaves, right?
Navahanti?
Daluk?
Okay. Right. It's
Daluk?
1 mark. Correct.
Cactus.
Okay. Cactus. Give 2 examples for the plants that is store food in the stem.
Sugarcane.
Yeah.
Kitul and sugarcane.
Ketul and sugarcane. Correct. Do you have any other answers? Different answers? No. Okay. Give one example for plants bearing following features. Bearing of aerial root.
Orchid.
Orchids.
Orchids, 1 mark.
Vanilla?
Bearing underground. Okay. Okay. If you have different answers, let me know. I will check whether they are correct or not. Orchid is correct. Second one, vegetative. Now, B is vegetative propagation by leaves.
Curry leaves.
So is orchid wrong for the first one?
Orchid is correct.
Okay.
Akkapana?
So is curry leaves
Akkapan,
correct?
curry leaves wrong for the second one, right? Vegetative propagation by leaves.
So can we write akkapana for that?
Akkapan is correct.
Sir, begonia?
Begonia, yes, very good. Akkapan, begonia, peperomia, they are correct. Bearing underground stems.
Potato?
Turmeric.
Potato, okay.
Turmeric.
Potato, turmeric,
Ginger?
yeah, onion, they are correct. Storage of food in taproot.
Carrot.
Carrot?
Carrots.
Beet? Radish?
Radish, carrot, beetroot. Take 1 mark for each. Dead plants and animal bodies are decomposed by microorganisms. Give 2 instances where decomposition by microorganisms becomes useful.
In
For making
agricultural
compost?
Agriculture.
To make compost in agriculture, okay.
To maintain the environment.
Maintain the environment. It is
Sir,
not a
to make
definite
dairy
answer.
products.
Dairy product, it's the kind of instance where the decomposition of
No,
microorganisms takes
no,
place.
sir, no, sir, no, sir, sir.
To reduce the amount
Dairy
of waste
products.
materials gathered in the environment.
Yes, they reduce the amount of waste materials gathered in the environment. And how about the biogas production? Manuka? Right? They are correct.
So to maintain the environment, is it wrong?
Maintain the environment means it's not definite, you know, the answer.
Oh,
It's not
okay.
specific.
Okay.
Okay. You can write to make compost, biogas, such an answer. Okay, the second one, write down the change caused by microbial activity on the following type of food. Food rich with proteins.
Putrefaction. Putrefaction.
Putrefaction, okay.
Perfection.
1 mark. Food rich with lipids.
Rancidity.
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 Rancidity. And what is the other one?
Malaria.
Sir, fermentation, sir.
Fermentation.
Food rich in sugars, I think.
Sugar, right, good. Write down an example, each for the disease caused by the man, protozoan and fungi. Protozoan diseases?
Filaria disease.
Malaria.
Okay.
Sir,
Fungal disease?
filaria.
Yes, fungal
Can
disease.
we say malaria for
Filariasis.
Sir, is
Malaria
filaria
correct.
correct?
Yeah, malaria also correct.
No, not malaria, sir. Filaria.
Yes, it's a protozoal disease, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Mucus.
Is leishmaniasis correct for protozoans?
Yes, you know.
Sir, for fungus, Petrus is correct. The
Fungus
skin disease.
pityriasis, yes. Yeah,
Okay,
that's
sir.
correct. One second, please. Give me a second. Filaria or the filaria is wrong, am I right? Sorry for that. It's a disease caused by a worm, right? I think you can't take it. Malaria is correct. Okay. Malaria is correct. Filaria is wrong. Let me show you that one. See this? It's a kind of worm like this, who enters our blood stream. Okay, don't put the correct marks for
worm?
that one, for the filaria, right?
Excuse me,
Malaria.
sir.
And leishmaniasis is okay, no?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Monica?
Is it like, is the worm called the ringworm?
What?
Is
The
the
name of the
worm
worm who
called
caused
the
this
That's another
disease?
thing, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's another one, no?
Yes, sir. It's another
Yeah.
one.
Yeah. You find here, what's the name of that
Filaria.
filaria worm, right? It's a parasitic nematodes cause filariasis. You can find its name here. But yes, there are so many information about them. Okay, now check whether how many marks you got for the first question out of 16.
So, how?
But one is missing as I see. Wait a minute. Is it more than 16?
Wait, sir. Could you give me the marks for the thing? From question 1 to question B2?
Yeah, I have marked here. You can see, name the parts A and B in plant. You want to decide? Okay, we'll take 1 mark for this, right? Then you can take 16 marks. Sorry for that. Okay, you can take 1 mark for this, and then second one 1 mark, third one 1 mark, fourth one 1 mark, and the fifth one 2 marks, sixth one 4 marks, 1 for each. And the B part, first one 2 marks, second one 1 1, and third one 1 1. Okay, that's how marks are located.
So I got 15.
Okay, good. Right, shall we go for the second one? Number 1. Which factor necessary for rusting is not available for iron nails in test tubes A illustrated in the diagram? What's your
Pardon me,
answer?
what's
Which factor necessary for rusting is not available for iron nails in the test tubes A?
no air,
Oxygen?
sir? Air. Air
It's
is not there,
air.
sir.
It is air, right? We can test the oxygen, but it's a different, I mean, another practical. Through this practical, we can say air is not received. Can't say exactly that air is oxygen, right? So you better write air.
Okay.
What is the necessity of layer of coconut oil in the test tube A and B?
Providing a
So
barrier for air.
providing a protective barrier so air can't get in the test tubes.
Air
Yes.
particles and dust particles cannot enter.
Okay. Not the dust particles. You better say the air particles, right? Can't get in the, what do you call, water, right? Okay. Did you write an answer? It prevents the entry of air from the outside to the boiled water. What color is formed when iron nails get rusted?
Reddish brown, sir.
Brown?
Reddish brown.
Reddish
Reddish
brown. Take one more. Write down 2 methods to prevent rusting.
Applying a
Galvanization?
kit.
By
So
galvanizing its
applying
tin
for
and
metal?
applying
Applying
Galvanizing
grease?
and
applying
painting.
silicon, sir.
Okay, galvanization is
Painting?
correct. Applying
Painting?
tin,
Applying
applying
grease?
paint, tin, they are correct. Yes, Israel, you have different answer.
Applying grease?
Grease also okay, but you better write the others, right? Grease is mainly reducing the, what do you call, friction, but it's also prevent the, contact with the atmospheric air with the iron, right? Okay, B part. A Bunsen burner was used for boiling water in test tubes in the above activity. The diagram shows zones of the Bunsen flame. What is the reason for separation of the Bunsen flame into zones of different colors?
combustion.
Because of combustion, sir.
Yes, it's a reason for the combustion. Okay, and in some regions, the complete combustion takes place. Some regions, you know, complete combustion is not taken place. That is what the reason. You can explain it. And what are the reasons for yellow color and blue color?
The blue color means
Because
complete
blue.
combustion and
Okay,
yellow
Yellow
color
comes
means
partial
incomplete
combustion.
combustion, sir.
partial combustion.
Partial.
Yeah, correct.
Partial or incomplete combustion, sir.
Incomplete combustion, right? Incomplete. They take 2 marks. Which letter represent the zones of the Bunsen flame where complete combustion occurs?
C.
C, sir. C.
C.
Are you sure about that?
It's C or D.
Sir.
So it's
C.
A.
Excuse me, sir.
So I think it's
Yes.
C.
The answer for
Yeah, because
blue.
it has more darker part.
Yes, it's the darkest blue color.
Mm. Give me a
So
second.
it's A. The colorless one is the where it's occurred complete combustion.
Complete combustion, I think that should be the answer. Okay, can you read this one alone? Please read this.
So can I read it?
Okay, you read louder.
The color of the Bunsen flame changes with the amount of oxygen gas supplied for combustion. When the oxygen supply decreases, the flame turns yellow, and when the flame receives enough oxygen, it turns blue. By the observation, the blue flame well, several zones of it can be identified. At the center is it is the non-luminous zone consisting of unburnt gas. Outer to non-luminous zone lies a dark blue zone and a light blue zone respectively. The outer part is the invisible zone. In the invisible zone, complete combustion
So did you get an answer now?
occurs. Yes.
So not in the dark blue zone, right? It is the invisible zone. So Kenuka's answer is correct. And the color depends on the amount of oxygen that it receives, right? Okay, when it receives more oxygen, then complete combustion takes place. Okay, and that is the thing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
So can you give me the answer for the B1?
B1. Yeah, that's what I said, right? So it's you have written due to the complete combustion and the incomplete, so I can consider it as an answer. So the reason here, shown different colors, the according to the text you can see it depends on the amount of oxygen supplied, right? Okay.
So can we consider the answer to find out where the high temperature is occurred?
Not the high temperature, no. They are asking the reason.
Okay.
Okay. So according to the amount of oxygen received by the flame, it shows that color change. Anyway, number 3. Which letter represents the zones of the Bunsen flame where the complete combustion? So you got the answer, that is the A,
A.
1 mark. What are the products of complete combustion? What are the 2 products of complete combustion? Why you
Carbon
are so silent?
dioxide and what?
Yeah.
Heat.
Complete
Carbon
combustion gives 2
dioxide
main
and what?
products, carbon
Dioxide
dioxide
and
and
water.
water. Yes, right. It's carbon dioxide or water, right? Let me show you that one. Yeah, here, carbon dioxide and
Said, so do we put carbon dioxide and
yeah,
water or carbon dioxide and hydrogen?
not hydrogen. It says now these combustible fuels, they contain carbon and hydrogen, right? So carbon combines with oxygen as giving carbon dioxide. Hydrogen combines with oxygen and giving water. That's what it says. Okay, but if it is an incomplete combustion, other than these 2, carbon dioxide and water, carbon monoxide, unburned carbon particles, they also release, right? These 2 also there, but other than these 2, some other products also form. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what's the answer for the third one?
Third one answer, it's A.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, what are the products of complete combustion? We answered, then take 2 marks. Now find with the, it's 11 marks. Yes, check whether the total marks are 11. And you can, please keep your mind. So you can find the total and please comment the total to chat. And as I'm requesting every day, after joining the session, you need to rename yourself, right? First the admission number, then your name. Shall we go for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go for the next one. I will complete this one very quickly. This will be a very quick paper discussion, right? Because this questions also not that much difficult for you. 1 second. Okay, number 3. Name of the name the parts A and B of the system given beside. What is the A? What is B?
Left
A
kidney.
is
A
left
is left
kidney
kidney,
and
sir.
urethra
Yeah,
is B.
A is left kidney and B is urethra. Not urethra. That's wrong.
Ureter.
Urethra is right down
Ureter.
there, sir.
Left
Ureter.
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 Sir,
Yes, that's a ureter.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Do we have to write? Can we write kidney instead of left kidney?
Okay, but better you can write that one as a left one. Okay, because you
Yes.
can identify in the body part body So if there are two kidneys, you can identify which side is the left side and which side is the right side. So we can write an exact answer for that, right? So the best answer is left
kidney.
kidney. Yeah, but I will give marks for the kidney. But practice to write the correct way, okay? Mention two excretory products removed from the human body.
Urea,
Sweat and urine.
uric acid,
Carbon
Urine.
Listen to
dioxide.
me. Listen to me. Now it's asking the excretory products, not the forms of excretion.
Sir, but sweat and urine.
Sweat is form, right? It's a form of excretion. Okay.
Carbon
Urine
dioxide.
is a form of excretion.
urea and carbon dioxide.
Yes,
Sweat.
urea, okay. Sweat
Okay,
contains
carbon
water.
dioxide and
It's
urea.
okay. Yeah, carbon dioxide, urea, uric acid, water,
Salts.
salts, right? They are correct. So did you get the
Urea,
difference
uric
between these
acid.
two? Did you understand the difference between the excretory products and the form of excretion?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
right. So you need to write that answer correctly, right? Sometimes, not sometimes, actually, we can't give the marks if you write the, what do you call, the forms of excretion for the excretory products. And මේකේ ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ අපෙන් excretory products නම් අපි excretory products තමයි දෙන්න ඕනේ. Form of excretion නම් ඒක දෙන්න. දැන් ගොඩක් වෙලාවට science papers බලද්දී අපි ඒව ගැන ගොඩාක් concern ගොඩක් හිතනවා ඒ ගැන. right? ළමයි මේ හරි උත්තරේම ලියවලා තිබ්බොත් තමයි O level වලටත් ලකුණු හම්බෙන්නේ. Mention two habits that affect formation of bladder stones, not bladder stones, neither. Kidney stones. Yeah, okay.
Consuming too much of sour
Consuming
drinks.
salty
Not
foods.
consuming enough water, sir.
Okay.
Holding
Consuming
the urge of
insufficient amount of
urinating for
water.
a long period of
the
time.
Correct.
urine for too long,
Postponing
sir.
urination. Yes. Postponing of urination and consumption of
Not drinking enough
salty
water,
food.
sir.
Yes. Yes. Tell me the answers, Manuka. Okay. Write down health habit that affect proper function of the kidney. What are they?
Drinking alcohol.
What?
Drinking alcohol.
Is that a healthy habit?
Or a health habit.
It says write
Drinking
down a
adequate amount of water.
health habit that affect proper function of the kidney. Understand the question properly, right?
Drinking adequate amount of water.
Yes, drinking adequate amount of water. That's true. Okay. Is that all?
Consuming less amount of salty food.
Salty food, yeah.
Avoiding smoke and smokers.
Yes, avoiding smoke and smokers.
Passing urine.
What were they?
Passing urine.
Yes, passing urine on time. Okay. What is called the proper coordination between the muscles and the sensory organs?
Coordination.
The interaction between
What is called the proper coordination between the muscles and the sensory organ?
the interaction between the receptors and effectors.
Don't we have a single term for this?
Having a good interaction between receptors and effectors in order to react for the changes inside the body and in the surrounding environment.
Okay, you have written the wrong answer. Others, do you have different answers?
Proper coordination is the ability to control multiple parts of the body, like the legs and arms, at the same time.
Okay, you have different answers. Other?
Examples.
Okay.
Nervous coordination.
Yeah, I think this is can be considered as a nervous coordination, but nervous. I think this question has something you can't understand that part clearly, but it should be the nervous coordination. Okay, write down a function of the skin other than acting as a
Sir.
sensory organ. Yeah.
Sir, can you tell me the answer for B1?
Yeah, we'll
Nervous
take nervous
coordination.
coordination. The coordination done by the nervous system. Mm. But it's asking what's called a proper coordination. Yeah, we'll take. Write down a function of the skin.
It protects you from unwanted
Protects you from ultraviolet
microorganisms.
rays.
Protect you from UV rays.
Yeah,
Keeps
Excretion,
the
regulation
body
of body
heat
temperature.
constant.
yes, right. Uh, Other than acting as a sensory organ, it has several functions, right? What are they? It produces vitamin D and it's giving us a main protection, right? Okay. And it helps to regulate the body temperature. You can write them. Take one more. Write down a function of the peripheral nerve systems.
Transmitting impulse from receptors to the central nervous system. Transmitting impulses from central nervous system to effectors.
Effectors. Very good, right? That's correct. Okay, we'll give 2 marks for this. Okay. Now you check how many marks are they out of
So could you give me the
11.
answer for the third one as well?
Yeah, okay, let me show you that. So they're asking the question about the function of the peripheral nervous system, right? You know, the nervous system can be divided mainly into 2 parts, right? What are the 2 parts of the nervous system? Can anyone answer?
Peripheral nerves and cranial nerve system.
Yes, peripheral nerves and cranial nerves. So cranial nerves means basically they are connected with our brain, right?
Which are
And
not. Then cranial nerves are the nerves which are connected into a spinal cord.
spinal cord, correct, right? So what do they do? So from the sense organ, you know, we are taking some senses, they are conveying their messages, impulses are passing to the central nervous system through this green colored, what do you call, nerves, right? As well as some messages from the central nervous system, they are transmitted to the effectors. You know, effectors are the responding organs like muscles, glands. It's done by the these peripheral nerves, right? So here we can
Actually, so the peripheral nerves divide into 2 parts known as cranial nerves and spinal nerves. So actually,
yes,
the cranial nerves are the nerves which are located at the brain, and
brain.
spinal nerves are the nerves which are located at the spine.
Correct, correct. And try to remember the how many pairs of cranial and spinal nerves are there in our body. Remember that? How many cranial nerves are there?
12
12
pairs.
12 pairs. How about the spinal?
31.
31
Third one.
Okay, okay, right. Let's see the next one. Following things was applied for testing for the magnetism and electric conductivity of them. Mention 2 substances from those given above that show magnetic properties.
iron
What's your
nail,
Iron nail and
Steel wire.
iron
steel
nail,
wire.
piece of aluminum, steel wire,
okay?
Iron nail and steel wire.
Yeah, take 2 marks. What is the non-metallic substance that shows the electrical properties?
Graphite rod.
Wire.
graphite,
Copper wire, graphite.
Copper is not non-metallic, right?
Graphite rod.
Graphite rod, correct. What Pute? Okay. Mention a pair of substances that can be used for making electromagnets.
Copper wire and iron.
Copper wire.
iron base,
Copper wire and iron nail.
Copper, iron, and iron. Okay. Name the device. Okay, you can see a circuit. Name the device denoted by the letter A and give the physical quantity measured by it.
Ammeter.
Ammeter, sir.
Ammeter. Mm, there
ammeter,
are 2
I
questions
have a
here, right?
question. Why is the A outside the circle?
No, they have just given a letter to denote this one. So students have to identify. That's why I think. Okay.
So, sir, is it a
Sir.
ammeter?
Yes, it should be the ammeter, no? And you need to write the function, not the function. Give the physical quantity measured by it. There are 2 questions in the same question. I mean, number 1.
It measures
Electricity.
Yeah,
Electrical
it
current.
measures
But
sir.
no,
electrical
like
current.
electrical current.
Yes, it measures electrical current, correct.
So is amperes correct?
Ampere is the unit of measuring current, not the physical
Yes.
quantity. The physical quantities and their units, two things, right? So the
Okay, sir.
mass is a physical quantity, kilogram is the unit, I mean the SI unit. Length is a physical quantity, the unit is meters. Okay, like that. So here the electric current is the physical quantity, ampere is the
Also
unit.
known as amperage.
Amperage is correct. Take 1 mark. Um, no, this question we didn't. Mention a type of energy produced by the bulb other than the light. What is it?
Heat energy.
Heat energy. Take 1 mark. Mention the method of connection of dry cells in the circuit given.
Series connection.
Series.
Yes, series connection. 1 mark. Yeah, the dry cells are connected in series. Copy the circuit and illustrate in answer script. Can anyone send me your answers quickly? Right, give me a second. I will join with you soon. Please send me your answers. So did anyone send? Wait a minute. Yes? No? Okay, did anyone send me your answers? Copy the circuit and illustrate in your answer script how the apparatus used to measure the potential difference is connected. So when you are connecting the potential difference, you can connect it like this. Yeah, we are measuring the potential difference across the bulb. Okay, I will draw the voltmeter first. Okay, then we'll connect the wires. Right, this is how we connect it. Is it clear? Hello? Amai, can you hear me? Wait a minute.
Yes, is
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So we'll take how many marks for this? 2 marks, right? Take 2 marks for this. Okay.
Sir, are you there?
Okay, right. Now let's start. Number 5, name an instrument that generates sound and gives a list of things you use to make it? What's that? Can you tell me one instrument?
So a guitar,
Yeah,
we can
guitar.
use a tin, some string with the same length,
Hmm.
and a wooden panel with iron nails.
Okay. Any other thing?
Pardon me, sir. What?
What are the other things that you can make?
You can make a drum
Okay, drum.
with a rubber membrane and a round with a round tin.
I think you were talking about this one, no?
Yes,
The tin guitar you learn in
yes.
the lesson, right? And how does this instrument produce sound?
It produces sound
Vibrating
by
strings.
vibrating strings.
Vibrating strings, right? Okay, good.
So has everybody gone?
What?
Has everyone else gone except Ravan?
Their application.
Okay. Uh, Number one, you can take that one answer as the answer. Number two, write down briefly how sound is generated by it. You know, it's producing sound by vibrating the string. So
Strings.
it depends on the, yeah, strings depend on the instrument that you chose, right? Mention two changes that you can do to do the above instrument to produce sharp sound.
Stretching the strings.
Stretching the strings, correct. And what are the other things that can be,
Making the strings thin.
yeah, making the
So
strings things?
from thin to thick, sir.
Yeah, thin to
I
thick.
think
Okay. Mention traditional musical instrument and an instance where it was used in the past.
Sita.
Yeah,
Rabana.
Rabana
Raban. Okay.
Category.
Instance.
Tomato.
the
Instance
New Year.
where we use it.
In ceremonies.
Okay.
Some years.
So they're asking about traditional one, right? So how about this? Are they ancient or
Yeah,
traditional?
that's what I said.
Yeah.
Yeah, second
Tradition.
one I said
Tradition.
Sita.
Someone's yeah, the Sita like things they are ancient things, right? As well as traditional. Okay, here the traditional things in our traditional events, right? Normally these things are seen, especially you know the Thammattama, Rabana, Daula, right? They are the traditional things. Okay, right. Then you can write one example, the traditional instrument used in Perahera and other things, right? 2 marks for that. When a musical instrument is hard, tapped hard and gently, state whether the frequency gets changed or not.
It
It
is
is
changed,
changed.
sir. It
Then
is changed.
Think about vibrate. I mean, sorry, membrane
membrane.
vibrating instrument. Yeah. So when you tap hard and gently, will it change the frequency of the sound?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
When you tap hard, it will give a coarse sound.
Others, what is your opinion?
Yes, it will change the frequency.
You say the frequency, but remember, it is not a point of change in the frequency, right? You can increase the I mean, height of the membrane. It will affect the frequency. Okay, and you can change the area of vibrating. It change the frequency. But when you tap gently or hard, it won't affect the frequency of the sound. It affects, there's another sound quality called loudness, right? It affects loudness. So I think the frequency doesn't change. That should be the answer. It's a kind of question. Even the all level students may not answer this one properly, but they have, right? All level students, they have to learn this one, right? So, okay, I think you got it. Let's see the next one, the B part. B part, there are 9 questions, 9. Name 2 vertebrates. Tell me the answers quickly and we'll wind up the session.
Swan, cobra,
Swan
frog.
and cobra, sir.
Swan and cobra. Okay. Then
Frog.
take 2 marks. Yes,
Cobra
it?
frog.
Cobra. Frog also,
Yes.
Okay, we'll see from the beginning. Spider, vertebrate or invertebrate?
Vertebrate.
Vertebrate.
Vertebrates, sir.
Invertebrates. So you tell both answers, right? You say both. Spider, vertebrate or invertebrate?
Invertebrate.
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 Swan,
Vertebrate.
Vertebrate.
vertebrate. Cobra,
Vertebrate.
Vertebrate.
vertebrate. Snail,
Leech. Not
Invertebrate.
invertebrate.
leech,
Invertebrate.
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 starfish,
Invertebrate.
Invertebrate.
sea anemone,
Invertebrate.
Invertebrate.
frog.
Vertebrate.
Vertebrate.
So you can write 2 of them, right? What is the group that the spider belongs?
Arthropoda.
Arachnids or
Vertebrates. Arthropoda.
arthropods. Arthropoda.
Arthropoda. You better write arthropoda, okay? What is the animal that found in only in water?
Sea anemone.
Sea anemone.
Sea
Sea
anemone.
anemone. Sea anemone. Yes, it's 1 mark. Name the soft-bodied animal.
Leech.
Snail.
Snail.
Mollusca. No,
Yes,
Snail.
soft-bodied
snails.
means not what do you call leech, right? It
Leech.
should be the snail. Snail.
Snails.
Snail. Take the snail because normally snails are the soft-bodied
Sir,
animal.
shouldn't it be in the above?
What?
Shouldn't it be in the above bracket?
I didn't get you.
Shouldn't the animal be within the above brackets?
Yeah, here the snail is there now.
Yeah.
Okay, snail is there. What is the sessile animal? What do you mean by
Sea
sessile?
anemone, sir. Sea
Sea animal,
anemone.
yes. What does it mean? What does it mean? Sessile means what? So they fix to a certain place and they are living, right? Without going from locomoting, right? Normally, sea animal shows that properly. What is the
Sir, is
animal
it similar to polyp?
similar to what?
Polyps?
Yes, the polyps, correct. What is the animal with the segmented body?
Leech?
Leech.
Yeah,
Leech.
leech. Correct. What's the animal with the dry skin with the scales?
Cobra?
Snake. Cobra.
Cobra. Okay, 1 mark. What's the animal that
Snake.
respire with the skin, mouth cavity, and the lungs?
Frog.
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 Construct a dichotomous key with 4 animals, selecting from the above list based on their external features. Can you share the dichotomous keys that you have done? Oh, but how can we give marks, 11 marks for this question, right? This has too much questions. Isn't it? I think we may give 1 mark for some questions, right? Yes, right. So for these two-mark questions, we'll give 1. And so this one also 1. And for the name vertebrates also 1. Sorry for that. Okay. It's 1. Now 5 and 9. Again, it's too much. Neither. Here there are 9 questions. So we are in trouble. So anyway, you construct the dichotomous key and send your answers to me. And remember to consider only their external features. Okay. And for this question also, the total mark should be 11. For some questions, you can put half, right? Half marks for some questions. So find the final mark out of 11, right? Did anyone share the dichotomous key? Did anyone share the dichotomous key? No, you know. Okay, you send me the dichotomous. So we'll wind up the today's session, Lamai, from this. And we will meet again. And do your exams well. See you
Okay,
next day.
sir.
Goodbye, children, and good night.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night, sir.
Bye, sir.
Good night, sir.
Goodbye,
Goodbye, sir.
sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.
Good night, sir. Bye,
Night.
sir.
Bye.